and my son is about to go to Dunkin' Donuts to get him his free donuts. He asked the guy, we went there one day, and he was like, "Sir, do you throw away donuts?" And the guy was like, "Yes, at the end of the night." So my son said, "Can I have them?" And he was like, "Yeah, we don't have none on this weekend, but if you come during the week, you know, we throw away a lot of donuts." So we out here, it's about like 9:25. He said at least come like around 9:40 because they close at 10. We could get the donuts. So we about to get these donuts. And so I told him, I said, listen, he be watching YouTube. So that's where he knows about these donuts. And they be throwing them in the trash. So we're about to go there now and get these donuts. So hopefully they didn't forget about us because it is late. It's 9:30. I think they start throwing away donuts like around 9:40 or 9:50 or something. But hopefully he didn't forget about us. So we almost there. Nervous, Dre? Mm-hmm. Why? You think he's gonna say, "I don't have no more donuts"? All right, it's 9:31. So let's see what they say. I don't want to put the camera in his face, so I'm gonna have it down. Oh, he right here at the door. Oh, I'm so nervous. Let's see. Go that way. So he told me to come around. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna put it over here. Hi, I brought my son.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
We stayed up all night. Did you? What kind of donuts he asked you?
Do you have any,
Like black strawberry, vanilla, like that? Chocolate?
no.
So he's giving us the donuts.
We got the free donuts.
So we got the free donuts, and he said come back anytime. So you know we're gonna come back anytime. So show him your donuts, Dre.
Yeah.
Show him, they can't see.
We got the whole bag, 13 donuts.
So they gave us the free donuts, but they said to come anytime. So the cop's coming, so I gotta go. Bye. So we back home and we safe or whatever. He got his donuts. So how you feel about your donuts?
Good.
Where you at? They can't see you.
I feel good about the donuts. Donuts was, that chocolate donut was busting. I love that donut.
All right, so I guess I'll see y'all soon. So it is snowing out here, and I'm about to take my grandmom for her birthday to Brunchaholics. It's in Cherry Hill, and it's a black-owned spot. So I'm about to pick her up right now in these snowy streets in Jersey. Sitting in the mall. We had King of Prussia. We've been sitting here since probably like 12. And the mall, they said the whole mall opens up at 1 o'clock. And I'm like, wait a minute. Yesterday I was here and the mall was closed at 7 o'clock. And the mall closed at 9:30. But apparently they've been opening up whenever they feel like it and closing whenever they feel like it. I don't know what's up with this King of Prussia mall, but the hours is crazy. I'm waiting to go into the Chanel boutique because I wanted to pick up something for my daughter. But it's like 1 o'clock and it's still not open yet. Like, that's crazy. Like, I'm so ready to go. Me and my my son just sitting here. I am so pissed. I just waited
An hour.
almost an hour waiting for the Chanel store to open, and they're not even opening up today. What kind of crap is this? Like, come on, King of Prussia. Like, this don't make no sense, and I don't want to order it because it's going to be over. You know, I'm not going to get it until after Valentine's Day, but I'm going to see if Neiman Marcus have it. If not, then forget it. This don't make no sense. I waited all this whole time sitting here. Now I gotta leave. I gotta drive all the way back to Jersey. This is crazy. All right, bye. I am so upset. I drove all the way to the King of Prussia Mall, and Sephora was closed. The Chanel boutique was closed. Like, a lot of stores was closed in that mall. And I'm just like, ugh. So now it's like the things I wanted to get in the mall I couldn't even get because either they didn't have like my size. So now it's like I gotta order some things. But I'm really, really disappointed because this is my second day in a row coming to King of Prussia, and the stores was closed. And Leah, if you watching this, I'm not going to be able to get your Valentine's Day stuff until after Valentine's Day, but whatever. Like, this is crazy. So I'm about to hit the highway going back to Jersey. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just order her stuff online, and she's just gonna have to get it after February 14th. All right, see you guys. Bye.
Not bad, not bad.
Dre really think he drinking this wine. This is what he's drinking. How you like it?
It's good.
What?
Why didn't you add pepperoni? Gourmet, 5 stars. Come on down. Why are you recording?
Because I want to record.
Are you recording?
That's all I go for. Give us some candy. Give me some out of there.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
You know how much money is it? Now you can get your own stuff.
Thank you, Mom.
So I'm trying to find a Hard Daddy sponge. They came out, I guess, for Valentine's Day, but I ain't know nothing about it. I was scrolling through Instagram and I seen it and I was like, wait a minute, I gotta go. If you don't know, I'm from Jersey and we have a Scrub Daddy in Pensacola, New Jersey, in like the South Jersey area. So I always go there. I don't have to go in the store and go into like Target, Walmart, you know, to pick up my Scrub Daddy. I could just actually go to the store to get it. That's what I like. So I'm gonna take y'all in the store. If you look at one of my previous vlogs, I did go in there and I did film. So I'm crossing my fingers. Hopefully I could get the hard Scrub Daddy because it's cute and I like it and I love Scrub Daddy. So hopefully I could get it, and I'm praying that I could get it today because I ain't gonna say I need it, but I really, really want it so bad. So I'm gonna just take y'all along with me. So I'm on my way there. Guys, I secured the bag with my Scrub Daddies. So I already got my pants tailored. Now I'm about to go to the mall, see if I could pick up this Topicals lip balm. So I'm about to go there now and see if they have it. So hopefully Topicals have the lip gloss. So I'm about to go in there and see. Wish me luck. So right now I'm in Nordstrom's about to get me some food. I went to Sephora's and they did not have the Topicals. So now I probably just have to order it online. That's what I'll probably do. So right now I'm just gonna be waiting for my food until they come out. So I'm about to go into Trader Joe's. I'm gonna see what they have. I know I gotta grab like some lemonade and like some milk, just a little bit. I'm gonna just see what they have, and I'm gonna take y'all in there with me.
They taste like a regular orange.
This is it.
I'm ready.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful.
So I forgot to tell y'all what I had got from the store earlier today and yesterday. So I'm gonna start with from yesterday. Of course, you know, I went to Scrub Daddy. I got, well, they come together as a set, but remember I was like ripping and raving about the sponges, like I had to get it. So this is what they look like. And then they put in some extra. That's why I love going to the Scrub Daddy. So I got the orange one, the blue one, and the red one. And I wind up seeing this right here is called Biome, I think it is. This is the name of it, if you could see. Basically like a dispenser for like the different wipes, refill. So this is like a all-purpose refill wipes. This kind is called grapefruit zest. You get 50 of them in that one. And then the next one is called Santal Natura. And this is for all purpose as well. So this is what I got. It smells like it smelled like the so I went into Sephora today. A little thumbnail. So I got this. I'm just trying it out because I never tried it out before, so I'm just trying it out. So I got the Sol de Janeiro, the purple kind. And then I wind up getting the small cream. Like I said, if I like it, then I wind up going, you know, get a big one. So I got this one. And then I got me a new perfume. I heard people ripping and raving about this one, and I love perfume. It's called Missing Person by Fleur. And this is the packaging. And this feels like a magnetic top. Let me just spray. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you don't have this, you need to go get it because this smells really, really good. I'm excited to wear this. This smells really good. I'm excited to wear that. I think it's just my camera case because I didn't have a camera case. So I think that's what this is. Yep. That's exactly what this is. It has like a hard plastic. And okay, it has a strap. And you could put your camera in here. Everything in here. And it has like a little pocket as well. So I needed something to put it in. Oh, so you put your tripod in here. You put your tripod in here, and then you put I guess your camera, and then you put like maybe the light. So I needed one of those. The next one I'm really excited about is a light, because I need to get my quality up. So I had ordered me a light, and hopefully it says what it does. It has some good reviews on it. So it comes with this. This is the light itself. It comes in plastic. This is it right here. It comes with also like this piece you want to hook things up to. It comes with a cord, of course, and it comes with like a little tripod. Let's see if I could turn it on. So you peel the sticker off the back. This is, oh, I don't want to blind nobody, but let's see. Oh, okay, so you could turn, oh. So I'm gonna see how this is. Okay, let me see something. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm liking this. So I'm excited about this. Like I said, I want my quality and the lighting to be nice. So I'm really excited about this right here. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it's for the bathroom or the kitchen, like to organize my stuff. So you get 2 of them. And the reason why I got this one, because I like the little ribs on it. You see how the little, you could just pull them out. And maybe I could put like stuff in the bathroom, but I really like this. And you could just stack them up. Stack them up like this. You could just pull them out. So tomorrow I'm going to, because I got to get ready to go to bed. And tomorrow my son is going to the shooting range. So I'll probably record that. She said I could record it. So I'm going to record that for y'all. That's about it. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, because it's late and I gotta go to bed. It's the next day and we about to go into the shooting range with my son. This is going to be his first time shooting. I'm gonna try to record. I don't know how much I can record, but I know she said I could record. Basically, it's just learning like the techniques and things like that. And so I don't know how you get in there, but
You just gotta go through the door.
Big slightly. And I want you to bring the gun up right in front of your face and point it straight out. Straight up. A nice firm grip. So now we're going to do a dry fire grip. Perfect. You see your boxing stance? Put this foot forward, this foot back. Put this foot forward, that foot back. Remember your grip. Let me see. Perfect. Now, do your rear sight. Find your front sight. This is your rear sight. This is your front sight. So you're gonna close one eye. Okay, good. And then I want you to aim right for there. Finger right back on it. Use your sights. Remember rear sight, front sight, and then your circle. Okay. The empty shell pieces are going to come out of here. So I'm going to put the first 2 rounds in. You're going to fill in all that space. Line your sight. So how was it? All right. So
One trick I think I would do to our mom.
His class definitely was a success, so he did go shoot a gun. But yeah, it was definitely a success or whatever, and we definitely coming back for sure. And I'm definitely going to be taking one-on-one classes for sure. So the class was definitely informative. She was very informative with her information. But I'm gonna leave her information on the screen if anyone is interested, or if you want to you know, want to shoot a gun or learn, or just learning the basics, if that makes sense.
What did they put a rope? I forgot. Ooh, they got
So we're about to try these, what you call, mochi nut donuts.
Oh, man,
So this is what it looks like. So this right here is raspberry. This one is funnel cake, and this is strawberry. So it says more than just a donut, always near you. I want to be safe and try the funnel cake. Let's try. Let's see. It's good. I like it. Let's try the strawberry now. Break it. This is the strawberry.
These are so good.
It's okay. It's not bad. So far, I like the funnel cake. I'm gonna try the raspberry. Very sweet. So far, funnel cake is my favorite.